I found an old typewriter at a dusty antique shop, thinking it would be a charming addition to my study. The first night I set up, I was jolted awake by the sound of clacking keys. My heart pounded as I approached it, the paper revealing a message, "Leave now." Brushing it off as a prank, I went back to sleep. The next day, it typed again. This time more frantic, "She's coming." I laughed nervously, but unease settled in. By the third night, the messages became specific, describing an unknown woman who would visit me at midnight. That night, as the clock struck 12, I heard footsteps echoing through my empty house. I glanced at the typewriter, its keys hammering out one final message, "It's too late." The door creaked open, and a cold breath brushed my neck. The last thing I saw was the typewriter typing, "Goodbye."